If you're wondering how to use Salesflare's email finder, you're in the right place. Today we'll show you exactly how to leverage this tool to find emails and enhance your outreach efforts. Whether you're a marketer, salesperson, or entrepreneur, this tool can be a game changer in building your contact list quickly and efficiently. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive way you can get your hands on this software for free with a special bonus at the end of this video. Salesflare's email finder is designed to take the guesswork out of your outreach. What you're essentially getting is a tool that finds business emails from just a name and company, saving you time and effort. Rather than manually searching for contacts or relying on outdated databases, Salesflare automates that process. It pulls in verified email addresses directly from public sources, which is a huge time saver, especially if you need a bulk of emails for your outreach or lead generation. To use it, start by opening Salesflare and heading to the email finder section. This can typically be found under the People tab within your account. All you need to do is enter the name of the person you're trying to reach and the company they work for. The tool will then search the web for their most likely email address, pulling results from LinkedIn, company websites, and other sources. It's really that simple. Once you've input the information, Salesflare runs the search and gives you one or multiple email addresses associated with that person or company. Now, you can use these emails for outreach, whether you're targeting decision makers in a specific industry or nurturing leads for your product or service. What makes Salesflare stand out is its accuracy. Unlike other email finders, Salesflare uses machine learning to prioritize verified, high-quality contacts. You don't have to worry about hitting dead ends with wrong emails because Salesflare automatically filters out invalid addresses, ensuring you're reaching the right people. Another key feature is the integration with your existing CRM. If you've already built a list of contacts or leads, you can use the email finder to enrich that list with updated or additional email addresses. This means your sales pipeline stays fresh and relevant. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Salesflare's email finder is not just for big companies with huge budgets, it's accessible for small businesses and startups, and they actually offer a free trial so you can test it out before committing. And yes, there's a special link in the description where you can get your exclusive bonus offer for a free extended trial. This is perfect for people just getting started with email outreach or lead generation because it allows you to explore the features at no cost before diving deeper. With this tool in your corner, you're not just finding emails, but you're building relationships and growing your network faster and smarter than ever. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to use Salesflare's email finder to supercharge your outreach. Remember, you can start using it for free from the link below, where we've included an extended trial exclusive to our viewers. Now you're ready to find your target contacts, enrich your CRM, and start reaching out with confidence. Go ahead and check out the link in the description for your exclusive bonus, and start building better connections today.